Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the video. This video is a tokens video. I have around about 10 or 12 tokens to show you. So this is been designated tokens number 1. I think I had about 17 of them 2 years ago and I'm still using them slowly up. So this is the first token. It is a gaming token and it's a 20p value gaming token. It's from the UK, obviously, being 20p, or a country that uses the decimal system of the UK. So probably an amusement arcade of some description. They normally usually are. This is just a brass planchet. Now I don't know whether this was originally meant to be a token from a gaming machine or something like that, but it's totally blank. There's absolutely no clues to it, so it's the equivalent of a planchet. I would be really excited if this was a coin, but it came in a bag of tokens, so I've got to presume it is a token rather than a blank planchet for a coin, which is unfortunate because I'd love to get a blank planchet, coin planchet. We have seen quite a few of these, or I have, when I've been looking at these token sets, these token hunts that I've made up. It's an R&W. And it is a 6 pence. Now I believe that this was the old Tanner, so we're going back to pre-1971 at least with this coin. And I have one more here, and I think I've got at least one more, have I? There we go, there's 3. So we have 4 of the same tokens. Now there must be, because I got 6 on them, that have been the old 6p or Tanner, and a lot of fruit machines in particular used to take sixpences, and this would have been the tokens that they'd have issued in wins or small wins, so you would either keep playing the machine or you could cash them in at the window, or if it was a nightclub, perhaps use them as part payment for a drink or something like that. So that's those ones. Next one is a Euro token, or Euro coin token, and I have 2 of those. And that's what they look like on the back. They have 2 ridges running through them. This is so that the machine that's taking the coin can guide them through, and also it means to say that if they haven't got these grooves on, they can't be accepted by the machine. Good idea, good design idea. What they're used for, I don't know. I have seen tokens similar to this used in car parks and things like that. Or also they do from car wash machines, you know, the automatic machines. I've seen them in the past for that. This one is a well-worn token. It's hard to decipher. It says 5 on it. Now again, I don't know whether this was a gaming token of some description, or if it's a one from a machine, gambling machine, such as a fruit machine. Very difficult to say. They do look like casino coins, or cheaper casino coins. Rather than using chips, they use these things. They wear a lot longer. We're back with at least one of the ones I know quite well, and I have 2 of them there. the Ace tokens. I know that these were used a lot in the machines for the pleasure beaches around the area. I knew them a lot from Blackpool, as I used to live in Blackpool at one point, so these tokens were used a lot to issue out for so people can then go and cash these in for prizes or use them on the machines to have another go. Looks more like a casino type token. It's more ornate in the way that it looks, so it might be more to do with the casino type. On the back it's got a big M on it, so it could either be a casino or a gaming club, or be fruit machines from a gaming club or something similar to that. This one here has a big number 1 on it. What the value is, I don't know. There's nothing to say it's distinguishing as a particular value. It's just one token, so again this would be from either a gaming machine or a fruit machine type thing, or maybe given out if you get a bit above certain numbers on what the old video arcade machines. I don't know for 100% to be sure. This one is a very thin but very ornate stamped token. It looks almost like an Egyptian or Greek, ancient Greek design. Do excuse me, I didn't mean to do that. So I'm not sure what that's from, to be honest. There's nothing on it to sort of give away what it was used for or where it was used. Now this last one, I have to say, looks more like a coin than a token. I don't know if we can get any more in on that. That figure head there is Grace Darling. Now, for those of you who are not up to date on your Scottish history, Grace Darling, I believe, from what I remember of what I've been told about her, is that she was a lighthouse. Was she the daughter of a lighthouse keeper? We have the date of 1974 when this was issued, and it's a Captain Morgan token who make rum. Something I wasn't expecting, and I thought it was an actual coin because I could see the date. But under the microscope, it is a token of some description that was issued in 1974 by the company that make Captain Morgan's rum. Lovely coin. Lovely token that could also be very easily mistaken for a coin. That caught me out a little bit, and I wasn't quite expecting that. Anyway, we have finished this token hunt. Hope you've enjoyed it. It certainly caught me out at the end. I wasn't expecting that. That's coin. If you've enjoyed this, please can you give me the thumbs up, and also if you haven't yet subscribed and you've enjoyed this video, could you please at least think about doing so. I'm currently in the 170s and I'm aiming for 250 by the end of this year. I'm recording this at the end of May of 2023, so if you can help me out to reach that target, I would be grateful, and I will look forward to you continuing my journey through coins, banknotes, collectibles, and also the militaria that I do occasionally on this channel. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. Until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far in the distant future, I do 5 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something, 4 to 5 videos a week. 4 as a minimum. I hope you find something that you enjoy watching, and until we meet up again on this channel, thank you very much for staying with me to the end, and until we meet up again on this channel, from me, bye bye. Ta-da now.